Yes, yes.
Saturdays, and bond with the community over activities, and just today, for example, like last Saturday we did fun antakshari with Khushbu, and today we are doing quiz, and prior to that we did tambola, and so it's been really fun engaging with the community members and keeping the interaction and the engagement going. Yeah.
Absolutely. I think you're doing some amazing things. The Saturdays are never boring with THT and smart people from the team.
And today, and I'm sure today it's going to be a bonanza for all of us with you taking over the quiz today. And in fact, Anuja, who has been the ideator and the curator of the Fun Saturdays, it was basically the whole idea was to get the community together in times like these when we lack the social connect, and also the kind of stress and burden that the teachers are facing with online teaching taking over. So
Yes, yes.
we decided that why not let it open to our community members to come and host sessions with us. So that was the whole idea of getting the community members involved and take the idea forward. Yeah.
Wow.
So thank you for catching this and being the host today,
No,
not the
thank you so
ghost.
much. Thank you so much for inviting. But it's always a pleasure to be part of this community. In fact, I was watching I follow the FB, the THT handle, and I realized last Saturday you had a blast. The
Oh
Antakshari was
yes,
real fun.
yeah,
I think
yeah.
Khushbu made everyone go to the kitchen and get something as well.
Yes, yes, samosas.
Samosas. Don't worry, I'm not going to push you to add samosas. You can still,
Yeah.
the delivery started. You can still send it to us. What do you say, Sangram sir? Right, right.
Yes,
So
it's tea time, so I guess if you ask us to get tea, we may probably get a cup of tea.
no, Rakhi, we should ask everyone to make Dalgona coffees now. That's what the new
Oh,
trend is, isn't it?
then I'm logging out.
So I was speaking to Divesh and said even the Dalgona coffee makes in right ratios. I had fun interviewing
Yeah,
all of you for the
ratios.
mindset
Yeah,
interviews.
yeah, yeah. So great. So we can wait maybe a couple of more minutes, and
Absolutely.
then we can begin our session with. Uh, yes, so we have 21 participants. If we could just have everybody's videos on, because these sessions are all about bonding and connecting. So if we could see each other, that would be really lovely. Hi, Miss Ba, it's lovely to see you. You're on mute. You want to say something, but you're on mute.
Hi, good evening. I'm really excited.
Good
Yeah, but
evening.
this time I think we will give you a tough fight.
Yeah,
Oh, she won the
Last time
last
she was a
time.
winner. Yeah, yeah,
Oh, okay.
one of the
That's
winners.
nice.
I'm the
Yeah,
samosa person.
yeah, she got the
Yeah.
samosas.
So we
So
know
if
what
we could,
Misbah makes for tea, right?
Yeah, definitely.
oh yeah, we have Khushbu with us. Hi,
Okay.
Khushbu. Yeah, if we could have our webcams on and just connect and see each other, because that's one way of bonding and connecting. And don't worry, we're not going to judge you. I'm not going to see where are your earrings, or what kind of clothes are you wearing. So don't worry about that. Oh yeah, I can see
Yeah,
Khushbu
yeah.
doing her makeup.
All the ladies are already giving me,
Virtual makeup.
I'm already on low self-esteem right now. I borrowed my daughter's room.
I actually shooed my boys away. They were playing Monopoly, and I had to tell them. I said, the amount of noise you're going to make, so
Yeah.
you'll have to leave the room.
They
So
know
we have
controls.
Dr. Mohammed as well.
Okay, how are you, sir? So good to see
Fine,
you.
fine. Thank you very
Yes,
much for
wonderful to
inviting.
see you.
Thank you very much. Pleasure to
Great,
meet you
great.
all,
Thank you
young
for
people.
putting.
Feeling young when one among young.
Yo, yeah. I think age is just a number, sir. Yeah,
Wow, that's nice.
yeah. So let's have the webcams on, and let's just bond and connect. And then, of course, since it's quiz time, I would like to actually start with the quiz. Start with the question first for our
Yes, yes.
host today.
Oh, V,
I hope you've had your tea to answer that.
please go ahead.
Great. So yeah, it's. I would just take a couple of minutes to first introduce our host today. For those of you all who don't know who Dawood is, so Dawood Ved is a mindset coach. He gets into the mind of everybody. He knows what you're thinking right now, so be careful. So he's an educationist and quizzer, An electronics engineer, MA in education, and an MBA, he leads the curriculum team at Sky Education. He left his lavish career as a patent and trademark attorney in Switzerland, Moscow, and Dubai to work on SDG and skills workshops. Wow, this means you're truly pursuing your passion.
I hope so. Yeah, I'm enjoying the education part, definitely.
Yeah, he's the author of the book The Education Riddle, which I have it here. I'm going to show it. And he is a certified instructor for teaching 21st century skills and leadership, and is developing a student-centric curriculum, uh, which is Hub Schooling, the Golden Sparrow. Wow, tell us something about Hub Schooling, the Golden Sparrow. Yeah.
All right. This is a project very, very close to my heart, and I just borrowed the name from Sone Ki Chidiya, so it becomes Golden Sparrow.
Wow.
And the idea was, can we get the kids just pursue what they love? So my daughters are unschooling, so they don't go to regular school. They were in DPS a year back, and now they just choose what they want to do, from videography or creating flags or cartographers. And a small group of 10 kids in each batch, and they're just doing an entire unschooling project. That's what Golden Sparrow is.
Oh, wonderful. That's really wonderful. And yes, if anybody else would like to join this Sone Ki Chidiya, how do we do that?
Right now it's all online. Yes, they can join in very well. They can come for the quizzes, but otherwise it's compulsory to come and play football with us every Saturday.
Oh, okay. Wonderful, wonderful.
Yeah.
And otherwise, if I don't play football?
Hopefully we'll make you the referee.
Great, great. I just love your sense of humor. So, and that's the reason why I love questioning you. So tell us, I remember this question was asked to me, and I'm going to be asking this question to you on our show. And tell us one thing about Dawood that we don't know.
Okay, one thing you don't know about, a lot of things perhaps. One of them is I'm from Andaman Nicobar, Port Blair. It's one of the most beautiful islands, yes, in India, and I grew up there.
Wonderful. So did you manage to have a master's certificate in snorkeling, scuba diving?
I have done enough of snorkeling and scuba, but well, let me in water and I'll just enjoy it, and rather than certification.
Wow, wonderful. Because I remember being there 4 years back, and it was a wonderful experience. I did my certification in scuba diving out there.
Wow, that's nice.
So great. I think we all are ready to start our quiz, and we have our fingers ready to put the reply in the chat box. And I think I have this quiz started with you taking over, and Anuja. I think Anuja, I can't see Anuja. Yes, so I think we can begin with the quiz. What do you say?
Perfect. If Anuja ready, if you can share, see the screen, there we are.
Yes. Yes.
So I think you got the rules in the group, but I'll just reiterate the rules. It's a simple quiz. Like I said, it's a fun quiz. But yes, when it comes to vouchers and prizes, we are very competitive. So don't worry. Anuja, please do help me with the scoring part. It's very simple. I'll show you a question. There are around 15 to 20 questions based on the time that we've got in 3 rounds. Each question carries 5 points. So we'll give 30 seconds for the answer. And the first round a little different. So you will get 5, 4, So Anuja, make sure your maths and calculators are ready. But I'll give you the point ideas. No negative points. But then there is something called storytelling. After the answer is revealed, we'll open up the floor. You can use the chat or unmute yourself. We are teachers, we're teaching our children, and you tell something interesting, a trivia, a fact about that answer, and you still get 2 points. So there we are. So you can get 5 points for the correct answer. You will get 2 points for bonus, and then we'll add up all your answers for your gift vouchers. Fair enough? Is it good enough, Anuja and Raki?
Yep, absolutely. Yes. Yeah. Do we have Disha online with us, Anuja?
No, I'm just waiting for her.
Yeah. Okay. So Disha manages, she's the admin head, and she manages all the backend beautifully. So we want her to be here. So once she joins in, it'll become more easier for us to keep a track. Yeah. But we can begin. Yeah.
Right. So if it ever, I always love filling of spaces. I only get opportunity to speak when others are not there. So we'll let Disha come in, and I'll quickly introduce what I do.
Yes.
We just started the whole idea of this quizzes, and today we're living. Oh, Disha is right there. So thank you, laptop. So that's called Disha, right, Disha? So I can see she just mentioned on the chat. The idea.
Disha, if you could just say hi to everybody, so that they know the face behind all the work, back end work that goes on. Yeah.
And we feel
And-
safe that someone's doing the scoring there.
Oh, absolutely. No cheating allowed.
Absolutely. You know, the idea of the quiz, the first round, are those people who made the world a better place first, you know, by doing something. The celebrities, they are popular, but they're also, you know, helping us. Fair enough, Disha, we just got your message. So this is the idea of a quiz. Anything you would like to take the quiz from, the presentations from, please do it. Play the same quiz with your kids and tell us how did you enjoy. That's what good education is about. Let's learn to share about. We started the whole idea of the quiz, and I've borrowed some part of it from the Vision 2030 we did, the India quiz on you know, remembering one of the most popular presidents we had, Dr. Kalam. And the idea is quizzing is part of what I do. I love quizzing. Primarily, the basic reason is because of this. So if you see, I was born in Kolkata. My father is captain in Merchant Navy. So, you know, Derek O'Brien and Siddharth Basu, I've been doing quizzes. I think my mom did a lot of questioning when I was in the womb, and that's how I came up asking a lot of things. Went to Port Blair, did my entire primary education from Andaman Nicobar, one of the best places. Did my engineering from Chennai. Yes, I work with IIT Delhi for education projects. Then I did my master's. The only thing is I got married to, you know, I fell in love with a Mumbai girl. I got stuck here. Otherwise, I'm a global Indian. I keep saying that. My wife is also online. I have to be careful.
We are glad, but we are glad you got stuck here.
No, whatever you say is used against you, Rakhi ma'am, and especially in lockdown, I can't even go out. Right. So the entire quiz is based on the idea of 21st century. Won't bore you. First round, right there on your screens is this. This round, you will see a blank screen, and then you'll see some images. You have to guess. Remember, Pehchan Kaun? That's the quiz round, right? So this is a Pehchan Kaun round. You give the first guess, you get 5 points, and subsequently we'll keep adding out, but we'll not make it too complicated for scorers also. The first few answers will get 5 points, and then we'll keep going in. First round will make it easier, and then we'll make it more difficult as we go ahead. All set? Everybody okay? And again, 30 points, 30 seconds, it's called a pounce rule. So the pounce means there may be a lot of answers coming in, but we'll only allow the first 30 seconds for the answers, and others, well, hard luck, but you don't get the points for that. Your first question on the screen, you can't see anything, don't worry, it's a blank screen out there, is this picture. You can see, okay, a small hint for you, this is not Anuja's picture, all right? So, you know, people might write answers.
I can't see the screen.
You can't see the screen? Can you just see one small black spot in it?
Yes.
So good, you keep telling me on the chat also, anyone who can't?
Yeah,
Hold
we
on.
can.
Nobody? I'm getting answers on the chat though. Let me see.
Oh yeah.
I can see.
Yeah. I can
Thank
see.
you. All right.
Yeah,
I think the co-host can do that. And yes, I will put my answer screen also so I can see most of your answers. I'll read out some of the answers. The wrong ones though. Fantastic. Okay, it's not Diana Hayden. I like the answer. It's not even Sonam Kapoor. The right answers, can anyone else read it, or is it only to the host? The co-host Raki, can you
Yeah.
see the chats?
No, we can't.
No, we can't see the chat.
Oh, that's the sad part. So if I make it open, then it'll
Yeah.
be, everyone can see it. Then there'll be no fun.
Okay.
Isn't it?
Okay.
So
right.
let me just do it for first round. It's okay. But
All right.
so the second one, and I'll keep telling the answers. So can you just pull up the name here? It's not Michelle Obama, Sonali ma'am. It's wonderful. The answer's good. I like the answer. I love somebody who says, Tanvi says Alia Bhatt. I wish I had put Alia Bhatt's picture. You know, Tanvi ma'am, every picture I put is scrutinized. So I have to be very careful what do I put. Misbah got her answer right. So just put Misbah's name there. Misbah ma'am gave the right answer. 5 points out there for her. Okay, there's a second picture out there for you. Uma Shyam ma'am got the answer right. It's not Katrina Kaif as well. Okay. So this is the third one, the third clue. I'll keep reading out. Katrina Kaif, as I said, you know, fourth, okay, Anuja, there you are. So we pounce at Anuja, as in after that, I don't take any answers that are right. Okay, so you are right, Anuja. Can you unmute since you are one of the hosts? Can you speak up? What's the answer?
Yeah, y'all can hear me?
Yes.
Angeline.
Oh.
Oops, I was just generally taking part. Okay, I'm not counted in that.
Okay, so your point goes to Khushbu, right? The rockstar educator from THT. So the last of the pointers. So hopefully you got the names right there for the points. 5 points for all the names I mentioned, right? And this is Angelina Jolie. Absolutely right. She's doing some amazing work. Besides being a fantastic actress, Angelina Jolie is all over the place with a humanitarian work, right? Don't worry, hope no English teachers here. Right, so now we go on to a storytelling. Who won? Disha? Disha, these are the points, the names I said. Okay, I'll try again.
Yes.
1 month,
Just repeat those. Yeah.
hopefully 1 month of homeschooling must have taught me. So there is Misbah. Misbah's name I mentioned. Uma ma'am, Uma. And then there was, okay, after, it's a Khushbu.
All
So the ones whose name I'm mentioning, also make sure that you're in Disha's book. More importantly, that's what it counts. So these are the ones. So you got 5 points here. Now, the ones who have not got the points, it's an opportunity for you. First, you can unmute yourself and mention some trivia, some interesting fact about Angelina Jolie. You are eligible for 2 points. We'll take 2 or 3 pointers and then you go ahead. So you learn how a storytelling and quiz is combined. Anyone wants to attempt something about Angelina Jolie? Or maybe I can ask a lot of questions around her. Tell me about her children and her husband. That would be a good start.
Yeah, hello.
Or-
I want to say something.
Just mention your
Tanvi,
name.
yeah.
So yeah. Go ahead,
Tanvi.
you go ahead, Tanvi.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Yes, this is Tanvi. I just want to tell an important thing about Angelina Jolie, which I felt influence everyone. Her story regarding how she overcame the depression which she had gone through. And then again, with the help of her very supportive husband, she came up again in movies.
Wonderful. 2 points to you, Tanvi. That's a right point. And Isha
Thank you.
also gets 2 points. Isha Dalal, she mentioned a lovely point on the group that she adopted a lot of kids. In fact, just adding on, I would give an opportunity to anyone else who wants to say, how many kids does Angelina Jolie has? Trust me, there are quite a handful.
Yeah, 6. I
2
think.
kids.
I'm not sure. 6.
Okay, Rakhi, yes, someone who said 2 is right, 2 biological children, but there's
Yes.
6 kids, Rakhi, yes. Sonali says 7. I don't know if she's adopted one more, Sonali, if she's messaged you, but, you know, but yes, okay, Khushbu, I won't give you a point, but there's a lovely point you mentioned. She opened a lot of TB centers. Besides AIDS, she's done some great work for the refugee. She's got kids from Cambodia. There's a Max, Medoc, some lovely names out there. Fair enough. So on that, okay, Uma ma'am has got the right one, 3 sons and 3 daughters. So Uma ma'am, you already got your 5 points for the right answer. Disha, hope you're able to catch up. Don't worry, this is a wonderful team. They'll do their own scoring also. So make sure whoever can score on your own, we'll make sure. So last point, I think what Tanvi said is very interesting. Angelina Jolie spoke a lot about depression. So one quick 2-pointer question here. I think you all should be able to write it down. Who is the Indian actress who spoke a lot about depression? Hold on, Rakhi. Yes, hold on. Anyone else?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's Deepika Padukone.
Deepika Padukone.
All right, fine. Deepika Padukone, Karina Bambani, she also raised a hand, but I'm sorry, I'm just looking at the screens here. These are pointers. You know, somebody asked me, what about Deepika? I said, jiska husband Ranveer Singh hai, usko depression hona hi chahiye. But that was a lighter one, but I think they're doing a wonderful couple. We'll talk about them as well in a quiz. We've got Ranveer Singh also coming up. No, but I think I really appreciate the kind of things they're standing for. Are you ready for my second question? You're doing good? Okay. All right, there you are. Let me look at, here we are. Nothing on the screen. It's a blank screen again. Your first picture on your left and my right is this. Hold on, don't answer, please. Don't answer. I know I'm talking. Okay, thank you. It's not Barack Obama, Khushbu, but it's a good attempt. There's a hint behind. I'm going to my second one. Absolutely. There you are. Khushbu gets 5 points for the right answer. I'm not giving you the answer. Yes. Okay. Rakhi, you just came to the neighbor. Misbah gets 5 points. Sonali gets 5 points. Neetu gets 5 points. Pounds here. Nobody else. We're stomping here. Anybody who said Donald Trump, I'll take 1 point away from you. But otherwise, the neighbor was right. So those who are still attempting, go ahead. Still attempt. Don't worry about the points. No more points after. Uma ma'am, you just said after the pounds, so I can only give 2 points to others, but no more. Disha, hope you got all my names right.
Arnold.
Right. Let me quickly go. Justin Trudeau is the answer. Absolutely right. But we closed at 3 points till Neetu. So Neetu got her point 5, and after that, as I said, help Disha and help all of us. Make sure your scores are also there with you. And we'll do that. That's Justin Trudeau, right? Okay. Anyone here? I know a lot of teachers out there and a lot of females out there. If you mention the most handsome premier or president of a country, you won't get any points for that. Okay. Right. Other than that, all points are accepted. Go ahead. Yes. Okay. Good. Thank you, Disha. You're writing down. So it's Neetu, Mishpa, Khushbu, and I think yes, that's where we are. Tell me some points about him, and we will do 2 pointers now. So you have 2 points. Okay. Who is that? Neetu. Okay. Go ahead. Yes. Please tell me.
So Justin Trudeau had a sibling, and he was not belonging to any of this politics, and he died. He died at a very young age, and his father was also president of Canada.
Wow, that's a good info, Neetu. Did you do any geography lesson on Canada recently?
No, I was just going through a month ago. So I was just reading. So I just kept on searching. When I go, I just go for all hierarchy.
Wow, that's nice. I suspect she's doing immigrations there. So, Neetu gets 2 extra points. You already got it. Andrea Atkins have mentioned the youngest PM in Canada. Yes, you get your 2 points also, Andrea. You can unmute and speak a little more about it. It'll be wonderful. So both of you get 2 points extra. Uma ma'am gets 2 extra points. Uma gets 2. Disha, Uma just gets 2 points because she mentioned after the pounds. Anything else about Justin Trudeau? 1 or 2 more pointers and we'll go ahead. I'm enjoying your pointers more. I'm enjoying your, so we get youngest PM. There was a movie, the Avengers movie called Black Panther. Remember that? Okay. Trupti has something very interesting. He was the prime minister who was known for cleaning the airport when he spilled water. I know these young prime ministers, they spill everything. Sab gira dete. Was that the point? Okay, so he did some great work. So yeah, you get Trupti. Trupti, you get 2 points out there. Okay, he rallied for the Black Lives Matters, a topic which is very close to my heart. I can let Uma unmute herself and please speak up. Would you like to unmute and just share what you just said in the chat, Uma?
Yes, it was just recently that he rallied for it about the Black Lives Matter. And if you remember, I just seen here on the clip that for a few seconds, 20 seconds, he had not spoken anything, and then he spoke up about his mind.
Wonderful.
About the incident.
Yes, so everyone is silent for the entire time when George Floyd was under the the knee of the officer. 8 minutes and 23 seconds. That's where they were quiet, or else they reduced it to the last one. I think Neetu says 21 seconds. I take that. Wonderful. I think this is a very, very valid point. Not just the point that you get through, but something so beautiful that you mentioned about. Okay, Andrea, you would like to speak about his exercise routine. Go ahead and tell us.
Yeah, I mean, yeah. Hello, good evening. You all can hear me?
Yes, we can. Go ahead.
Actually, he's one of the youngest Prime Minister of Canada, just like we had Barack Obama. And being a youngster, they have a lot of trend, like in exercising, gymming and all. So he's the type, if you look at his personality, he has a stupendous, fabulous personality. You can make out from his physique. So he loves to do a lot of exercise, outdoor activities and all. And apart from this, another feather in his cap is that I think he has a sense of humanity, and a lot of humanity I think God has bestowed upon him.
Fantastic, Andrea. Thank you so much. I love the answers, the points that you're sharing. Right. So, before he gives me low self-esteem, Justin Trudeau, I'm moving to my next quiz. But yes, you all are brilliant. The kind of pointer Trudeau has done. Okay, since you didn't mention, Justin Trudeau has an amazing sock sense. If you look at his socks, the kind of socks he wears, they are just beautiful. Very beautiful, printed. He's got an Avengers socks with him. He's got a cartoon sock with him. The other side of good premiums that we know of. So I get 2 points also, Disha. Please make sure of that. I also fighting for the voucher. All right. So your third question on round 1 is this. Blank screen out there. Here you are. I'm sure you cannot see anything. It's still black. There you are. A little more difficult than Trudeau, but I think you will guess it with the kind of inputs I'm seeing now. You all are doing great. Anyone wants to attempt? 5 points for getting this right?
See the screen.
Oh, you can't see? Okay, this is all black there. Can you see? Hold on. Can you see now?
No, sir.
You can't?
No, we can't see. You can see your photograph.
My photo? Oh, no, that's not the quiz. The question wasn't that. I'm going back to sharing. Hold on. Just go ahead and have a look. Can you see? See, Neetu
now
can see.
Can see.
All right.
Yes,
so, okay. All right. Tanvi, 5 points to Tanvi. Disha, make a note of that. Only one answer I got correct. Great. It's not Leonardo DiCaprio. That footballer, Khushbu, I will give you 2 points for giving that footballer. Absolutely wrong answer. But I love creative answers also. So Khushbu gets 2 points for a wrong answer. It's not Tom Cruise. It's not Brad Pitt. Mark Zuckerberg. I like the answer, Mark Zuckerberg. It's not Mark Zuckerberg. Cristiano, or that CR7. Misbah people, the kids will be angry if you say Cristiano, you call him CR7. It's not Cristiano Ronaldo. My fourth pointer here, if you look at the bow, you should get the answer. Very popular. He just became a father in the lockdown few days back, of a few weeks back rather. Very strange looking child's name. Oh, that CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, Tanvi says. Tanvi, I'll give you 2 points for just saying that CEO, right? Tesla. Nobody gives a name, only one name. I think, Disha, you got the name I mentioned first up. Hope you did that. Tanvi's answer was right. Yes, Tanvi had given the answer. Trupti, it's not Ben Affleck. Okay, it's Sonali get 5 points saying Elon. And yes, we pounce at Anuja who gave the right answer, but she says she's being gracious, not going to accept the gift. Yeah, Anuja, you're the host, you can't. But right answer is, let me go to Trupti. Since you mentioned the answer before, would you unmute and speak up and tell me the answer? Tanvi, sorry, it was.
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead. I got so many answers. The answers flow so well that it becomes difficult. Please speak up. Just announce your name and speak up so others would know who is it. Tanvi and Tripti, either one of you give the right answer. Let me know.
I think I gave the wrong answer. It is
Okay.
not Ben Affleck.
Oh, it's not Ben Affleck. Yeah, Tanvi. Yeah, we come out of Hollywood. We are back from Angelina and Justin Trudeau. Yeah. All right. So
Hello.
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, like he is the one who like makes or helps in manufacturing cars, Tesla,
Right.
mainly
Okay.
that. And recently also, I don't know the name of the like satellite or something had been manufactured from SpaceX.
Perfect. It is the owner of SpaceX, Elon Musk, and I think all of you some of you gave the answers. I mentioned the name. He just became a father, and he had a very strange looking name for his daughter. I want any one of you, this is the only time saying you can Google and tell me the answer, but here you are. I give you 10 seconds for giving the answer. Let's see who's the best Googler among us.
Hello.
Yes, Shilpa ma'am. Oh, go ahead. Tell me.
Yes, I love this person personally because he has done something for the kids who wants a dream to fly in space. He is building up something bridges to Mars, Moon. He's thinking of that. We are thinking of roads. We are stuck in roads only.
Okay,
But,
right. So, Shilpa ma'am, I'm happy with your answer. 2 points to you, Shilpa ma'am. 2 points.
I'm really fan of his, and I'm very updated with his TED talks each time he's on
Wonderful.
set.
So I think I will convey that to Elon Musk when I meet him, hopefully. But Misbah and Uma, both of you get 2 points for the answer you gave me. Now, Misbah, could you unmute and tell me what is the child's name? You wrote all the codes to me, which is the right code. So Disha, Misbah, Uma, and Devina, they all get 2 points each for the answers they gave. We pounds there, we stop there. But Misbah, unmute and tell me the answer.
I have just typed the answer from Google. I'm sorry, I don't know.
Absolutely fine. Absolutely. Khushbu, anyone wants to attempt it? So the answer is XAE12, right?
E12.
So his wife had a different version of the answer. The father has a different version of the answer. अच्छा है ना, बेटी को दोनों माँ बाप अलग अलग नाम से पुकारते हैं. Sonali, you also got the answer. I'm sorry. So Sonali gets 5 points also. So Disha, Sonali got the answer as well without help. So we give you 5 points for that, Sonali. But could you come on the screen, speak up and tell us one more thing about Elon Musk? So that's the last one we're taking for this person, and we quickly go to 2 more. Right. Anyone wants, Sonali wants to come on, unmute and speak up?
Yes. The only thing that I know about is just because of my students.
Okay.
And yes, he has named his daughter exceptionally in a very different name. So that's how I don't.
Right. So all of you go and check what is this pronounced at. He calls it Exia or Exia. I don't know. It's called Xena
Okay.
Warrior. But yeah, there you are. So this is Elon Musk. Some amazing cars he's made. Tesla is his company. Hyperloop. He's a company called a Boring Well, where he's making those tunnels underground. This man is amazing, and he's on Twitter. Very controversial also. All right.
Can I add something, Daud?
So please, sir.
Can I
Saeed,
add
sir, go ahead.
something?
Yes, go. Absolutely.
Recently, I just saw one interview with Jack Ma, Alibaba.
Uh-huh.
He was dumbstruck with his answers. He was speechless.
Wow. Absolutely, Syed. So you, of course, I think you also get 2 points for that amazing point. But yes, he's got the gift of the gab. Elon Musk knows what to speak and
Yes.
how to convey the message and how to be in the limelight. Perhaps, you know, our principals learn a lot from Elon Musk. They're always in the limelight, right? So, okay, Davina, thank you. It's
Correct.
X Ash Archangel. So, you know, since I already mentioned you, but if you have not added Davina, please give her 2 points. She mentioned the name correctly. Let's go to someone, you know, now someone from the different world out there. An Indian. I will not give you many hints out there, but you should be able to identify this person. It's just a background out there. Anyone wants to make an attempt, mute yourself. So we will just, you know, hear one voice. You've got a signature. Oh, all right. Uma, very
Sachin
close.
Tendulkar.
No, unmute yourself. It's not. Don't worry. It's not Sachin Tendulkar anyway. But speak.
Sachin Tendulkar. No.
Okay, hold on. I'll just request you to put it on the chat. But it's okay. A good answer that it's not Sachin Tendulkar anyway.
One more clue if you can give.
Okay.
I cannot see the screen.
You cannot see the screen. A lot of you.
Only,
The only request is
Sir,
relogging.
give your thing, no?
You should get it by now. Don't answer.
Oh, yeah. PT Usha.
No,
This
no.
one, Neha, the badminton player.
I know.
Sidhu.
Okay, Tanvi,
Sanya.
Sania Nehwal. So I think because of too many
Nehwal.
answers, but still I got some answers on the chat. I'm only giving answers. So Tanvi 5 points. Shazia
So I
ma'am gets
also
5
said-
points. But ma'am, I want on the chat. I don't want to be so strict, but okay. But I think people on the chat were writing. So Sania Nehwal, Tanvi said, Shazia Patel, Shazia ma'am, you get 5 points. Bindu, Sania Nehwal, whoever spoke to me right now, can you mention your name? Because I could
But
not
I started the ball rolling.
No, what's your name?
I
Tell me.
started the ball rolling.
I can't see the name.
Andrea.
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 Sometimes
I
fighting
started the ball rolling,
yeah,
sir.
fighting with the teacher also allows you 5 points. So Andrea, you also get 5 points. We pounce.
Thank you.
We pounce at Trupti and Karina. Both of you get 5 points. Disha, hopefully we got 5 people with 5 points. Is
Thank
that
you.
okay? Any
Thank
help,
you, sir.
Disha? Let me know.
Thank you.
Welcome, Andrea. All right. Any help out there? So I'm not staying on Sania Nehwal too long.
Mummy?
All right. I'm just muting everybody. The co-host can always unmute themselves. I'm just going a little quick on the slide. We got a second round. So there we are. Thank you, Disha. Once your confirmation comes in, I go in. I'll take this as the last question. I've got 2 questions or more in the round. This man has been news recently and we've been hearing his message a lot. Who is he? Any guesses on who this man could be? Very difficult, but if you see the background, it's very beautiful. No Misbah, it's not a PM Modi. It's not Sonu Sood, Shilpa ma'am. I would love to put his picture out there, but I think this is something I did it before the pandemic, a little bit of it. But Sonu Sood is really an angel, the kind of work he's doing. Really appreciate the work he's doing. Okay, Sangram sir, it's not Akshay Kumar. Trupti ma'am, wow, I mean, amazing. All right, Shazia, Trupti ma'am, Shazia Patel, 5 points, both of you. I pounce at that. Uma ma'am, there you have 5 points to Uma ma'am, and I pounce here. It is. Yes, absolutely. Now others, whoever says it, you don't get points, but you can still attempt it. So 3 names I gave you, Trupti, Shazia, and Uma. They get 5 points, Disha. Trupti, Shazia Patel, and Uma Shyam. They get 5 points. Yeah, Shazia Waid. Shazi, you don't get a point. You know, Trupti, Disha ma'am, just give my wife 10 points, right? You know, you don't want to go back after the quiz. Absolutely. Rakhi, I have to go home. So whatever my wife says is the right answer, all right? Okay, so it is the 3 idiot character that we're talking about. His name is Sonam Wangchuk or Funsu Wangchuk, as most of you heard him, the Amir Khan character. He's been doing a lot of rounds against the policies of our neighboring country, China, and you've heard him enough. But to me, he's an icon, some amazing work. The only time I do self-publicity is when I talk about Sonam Wangchuk, because I spent a good amount of time with him at the Delhi airport when we were traveling back to Mumbai. And believe me, it was amazing. My idea of Golden Sparrow, I shared with him, and that's where I iterated a lot. So that's the only part. Anyone wants to add anything around him for 2 points? Go ahead. Let me not put my picture. It's a little. Yeah, there you are. Sonam Wangchuk here.
Sir, he made a video which went viral just now,
Right,
where he was sitting close to the mountains.
Yes,
and
yes.
he was talking about the other side of the border.
Perfect.
and that video went viral a lot. So it was a fantastic video.
Right. So is that Neetu?
Andrea.
Andrea, 2 points for the answer again.
Thank
Yes,
you.
he
Thank you,
did
sir.
mention that. So 2 points to you. Anyone else want to add something about Sonam Wangchuk?
Yes,
This is Tanvi.
Okay, Tanvi, go ahead.
Yeah, actually, I wanted to mention the same thing. The video just now, which encouraged to boycott Chinese products.
Yes.
And the answers he gave were so amazing. I heard that somebody asked him regarding the same thing, that how can we, do this? Our economy will suffer. So he gave some amazing
Right.
answers regarding that. And other thing
Absolutely.
is,
The
yeah,
Jane
and other
reference,
is,
yes.
yeah, his approach
Okay.
towards concepts.
I think I love the idea. See, it does. You don't have to identify or agree with everything. So I don't say. I personally don't say that perhaps that's a good Chinese company. But what I like is the politeness. That is what I love about Sonam Wangchuk. His creativity, the politeness. Even if you differ, you can't get angry at people like him. They're just so nice, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Absolutely.
And his
Totally agree.
sustainable architecture.
There you are. So why I like him is not for the Chinese product or the speech he gave, but for the SDG work. He's working so much for the environment, and that is what I like with the idea
Sustainable
of what he does.
architecture.
Neetu ma'am, 2 points for your idea of ice stupa that you mentioned in the chat. So that is wonderful about Sonam Wangchuk, and there he is. All right. So I'm not taking this
One
question.
more point I wanted to add.
Okay, I'll take one last point. Yeah, please go ahead. This is a quiz.
So I,
yeah, go ahead.
I just wanted to add a point over here, that he's a very good gentleman. He has a lot of guts in him, because when he was taking out the video, he was like very close to the Chinese border. I mean, I have a very strong feeling that he was even risking his life in taking this video, where he was like, promoting like not to take the Chinese goods and all, boycott these Chinese goods. And he was very close to the China border. So probably his life was at stake, if I'm not mistaken.
All right. So
the people could have come and caught him. Yeah.
Fair enough. I think I take that point, that someone who really believes in the idea can go to any length, and that's what we did.
Yes.
So on that point, we end our first round. I'm jumping to skipping around, hopefully for the possible. I'll come back. Disha, can we have a scores? Can we have anyone telling us what the scores are? Anuja, Disha has done a maths problems well, because I honestly I made it very complicated with her. She's better.
Much better than me.
Disha, please go ahead. Tell me. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. So it's absolutely okay. So don't worry. Your points are saved with Disha. And even if it's up and down, we will accept it as a part of all the learning we're doing. I'm just moving to a different round. Trust me, the only thing I've prepared with the quizzes is you can't Google the answers. That's my whole idea of this quiz. I'm just jumping around. I'll go back to my second round also, but this is more fun. This is a round I call Connect the Dot. Another person I'm really an admirer of is Rashmi. Rashmi Bansal is a student of someone I really admire so much from Ahmedabad. Can you tell me his name? So he runs a school called Eklavya School in Ahmedabad. We all educators. That's one school. If you get an opportunity, you must visit. Nobody? So I'll tell you, I'm a Gujarati, by the way. I've grown everywhere except in Surat. I'm from Surat. So, so Eklavya School is run by Professor Sunil Handa. So, I said this is storytelling. Professor Sunil Handa is an IIM Ahmedabad professor. Rashmi Bansal is his student. He opens his school 3 days a year, every year, for anyone to visit. No fees. You can just go in and be a part of the school. But one warning, as much as I love Sunil sir and I speak a lot and learn about him, this is like a Mohabbat school. Pata hai na Mohabbat school? So when you go to that school, you will have no mobile phone. You'll have teachers watching you all the time. Trust me, 2 दिन बाद मुझे लगा मैं छोड़ दूं school को. But you learn a lot from Sunil Handa, and Rashmi Bansal is his student. So is many, Deep Karla is a student from Make My Trip. So this is a round I dedicate to Professor Sunil and Rashmi, and this is a round where we'll connect the picture. Same way, write your answers on the chat. 3 pictures given to you. You have to connect with one word. That's all. 3 pictures, connect with one word, put your words there. Right? I would suggest do not use the mic for the first time, get as an opportunity. But because it is so common, I'm going to open the chat for everybody to answer now. So there you are. Anuja, please help me when you'll be able to see. When you write it now, don't send privately, send to everyone in the meeting. So you can do that, immediately go to chat and put everyone in the meeting so you can see it. Because, there'll be a lot of wrong answers coming in, right answers coming in, we don't know. So there we are. We're going to do that. And the first two right answers is where we get 5 points, and then again we'll do a pounce and we'll start talking about it. Bahut baat ho gayi? First question on the screen here. All right, communication through mobile, Andrea, you wait for the 2 pointers that you get. That is where we'll do, but we'll allow the chat for the first moment. All right, connect these 3 pictures. You see a tiffin box, you see a mathematical symbol, and you see a barber shop. Sneha ma'am, I got your answer, not quite. Okay, I think I should allow the chat to be private itself, because that's when I can see the right and the wrong answers, isn't it? So you mentioned that Super 30. I like the speed which you mentioned. All right, I got an answer from Shazia. So you got the right answer. Perhaps that's the word I was looking for. Absolutely correct. Someone else. So good you're mentioning that in private, so others can still attempt. Okay, all right. Said sir, e-commerce, fair enough. Not very close. I'm also making host only again, so people are making some great attempts, the answers. Okay, for those who could not get it, now this is where you have to put, sharing and caring. I like the answer. So I'll give you a hint now. Okay, the symbol is pi, right? As in somebody's life. There is a barber out there, and there is, I said the word tiffin box deliberately. You can also call it the lunch box. Give me the answer. I got only one correct answer, but other than that, go ahead. You know what's happening. It's all the news that we're talking about. Lunchbox, Life of Pi, barber. Anybody attempting for 5 points, and I'll open up. Misbah, I think you misspelled it. I got your intention right. Hold on to the answer. Okay, all right. Shabana ma'am got the answer right. So that Shazia Patel, Misbah. Okay, we got it. Fine, I'm pouncing here. Yes, he died recently. Misbah got the answers, not social distancing. So, Disha, the pointers that Shabana, Shazia, I'll give 2 points to Misbah, but these two pair get 5 points each. Shazia and Shabana gets 5 points each. Vinu gets 5 points here. The last person who gets 5 points is Vinu. Misbah, I'll give you 2 points because you didn't give me the right name, but you are correct with that. Would you want, Vinu, would you like to unmute, or Shazia would like to unmute and speak up? Shazia, Waheed, or Vinu, anyone? Want to unmute and just tell me the answer?
It's Irfan Khan.
Okay, right. Thank you, Shazia. Why do you say it's Irfan Khan?
Because he has worked in all the 2 movies, Life of Pi and Lunchbox.
Okay, and also the Barber movie. All right. So
yeah,
you are
that
right.
I was not aware of it.
Okay, good. You guessed it right. It's a tribute.
I know that.
Okay, so who is that? Tell me your name.
The movie is Billo Barber, I think.
Okay, what's your name? I can't see all of you, so just.
Misbah.
Okay, okay. So Misbah, I give you 2 points. I give you 2 more points here, so you get 4 points for this round. Yes, the word barber was removed from the Baba Association. Yeah, there was a controversy. So these are the stories I'm talking about, and that's where Khushbu, you love Diana, right? Okay, no, hold on. That's an old one. I got an answer. So this is a tribute to this one of the finest actors who we lost very soon, Irfan Khan. And this is where we do the pounce of it. Okay, I'll come to Disha after this round for the top winners. And Disha, you would like to speak up, or you'd like to mention that in the chat? Tell me the top 3. So it is.
Top 3 are Uma, Tanvi, and Shazia.
Okay, all right. So are you sure? Uma, Tanvi, and Shazia. Any others? Just tell me 2 more pointers. And what's the score?
For the last round.
Okay, for the last round. That's the point. So let me. Yes, go ahead, please.
Even when Irfan Khan, when he died, I had seen one of his screenshots in one of the movies where he had predicted that life is such a thing, like which is very unpredictable. Anytime anything can happen. So you should always give your best and do your best, and God will do the rest. So there was a very good verse which was given. Do your best and give your best. Serve humanity as much as you can. And don't bother. And life will take on its own toll.
Lovely.
He said these words before he died. Very
Andrea?
heart-touching. Yes, sir. I'm Andrea, sir.
2 points, but more importantly, the message you conveyed is very good. So one quick question here. Anybody wants to use the chat or speak up, I'll allow you. He has one of the lovely movie that he did, of course, more centric around kids, is The Life of Pi, right? What was the name of the tiger in Life of Pi? So let me quickly do the quiz here. Tiger, oh, hold on. Tiger's name in Life of Pi. Unmute and speak up. It's okay. Anyway, wrong answer, minus 2 points.
Oh.
Be a little strict also, right? No one? Life of Pi. My daughter is giving the answer right here. So we need to have teachers watch a lot of more movies. No one? Misbah ma'am? Uma ma'am? Anyone else? You can Google it now. Oh, I got Tanvi and Uma. Okay, Shabana. So Shabana Patel. So there you are. Shabana 2 points. Uma 2 points, and Tanvi. Okay. I was allowed. It's okay. Googling is allowed in my class here. Richard Parker. Thank you so much. Really? Ye kaise bhul gaya hum, right? Richard Parker. Okay, good. My next question. Go ahead with your screen now. So this is a simpler question. There's a Chinese man. I know most of you are not very fond of Chinese. I saw your when I heard Sonam Wangchuk, but it's okay. It's a Chinese man, but actually has a different citizenship. There is a magnifying glass, and there is a little kind of a bomb out there. What's the clues are here? Tell me what's the answer. Okay, Khushbu, this time 5 points. Khushbu got it right up there. Bindu, it's not Corona, but very close to it. Shabana gets 5 points, so keep making note of it. Khushbu 5 points, Shabana 5 points, Disha 2 names I got. Okay, I'm getting some more answers very quickly, and I'll let Khushbu unmute after this. Okay, Bindu, you're very close. It's not Wuhan. मुझे मेरे गांव का नाम नहीं मालूम, but वुहान जरूर याद हो गया अभी तो. It is very amazing. Yeah, we love. One more answer and I'll pounce it. I'll close it. That's what I'm saying. Pounce is any answer there on the screen, and then I'm coming to you, Khushbu, for the answer that you gave. And then it's either Khushbu or between Chinese ticking bomb. Uma, no, come on. At the end of the day, we still love Chinese. They are good people. Policies of countries should not make us, hate people or nationalities. Is how I see it. But all right, could you unmute yourself, Khushbu, and tell us the answer you gave?
So the answer is Eric Yuan. He's the CEO and founder of Zoom, which we are using right now.
Wonderful.
And he's obviously a multi-billionaire now, since the whole world has started using Zoom. So as much as we are saying we should ban Chinese products, right now we are
on Zoom. There you are, absolutely. So that's why I said no, I don't hate the products per se, but I thought there was a sense of sadness when he said he's a multi-billionaire. Are you sad?
No, I'm very happy for him.
You're happy for him. So that is Eric Yuan, the founder of Zoom. He's an American citizen, by the way. And, the magnifying glass was like zooming something, and Zoom bombing has become very, very, a popular word because people start barging into people's other Zoom accounts. So that was a word. Wonderful. Only two people got the correct answers between Shabana and you. So both of you get your 5 points. Anyone wants to add anything around Zoom or any pointers? Go ahead, 2 points up for the grab now. Any stories around Zoom? Any scary stories around Zoom? I did a session yesterday. I said,
hello.
Go ahead. Tell your name. So
this is Tanvi.
Yeah, Tanvi, go ahead.
Regarding scary thing which you said, we were also taking classes on Zoom, online classes for the school. So it was like that data can be, hacked. Your accounts can be hacked. So those are scary things we heard before starting the class.
I still give you 2 points for scaring us right now, but I'll tell you the answer for that. See, all of you, trust me.
The Indian government also gave advisory.
Yes, so the advisory
government had also given advisory to
and
stop.
I agree. So the advisory was a little misplaced advisory, too early to predict. But what most of us don't understand is if you use a Paytm or a Facebook or a WhatsApp, anybody, you agree to a sharing of the data. Zoom is no different from that, number one. And for most of the time, when you're doing a normal account like that, it's absolutely safe. I always say, do not share India's nuclear submarine codes on Zoom. That's not safe. If you're going to share something like that, please don't do it on Zoom. Otherwise, it's like any other app with all its faults and all its challenges. In fact, Facebook went and sold our data. The world knows to Cambridge Analytica. You know that? Last year, the controversy. We have no problem with Facebook. So please let us, put apples to apples and not make Zoom because of some Eric Yuan looking Chinese as a product that is not bad. Okay. So the other day I had my daughter, I think she met some friends. She said, Abba, we're not going to have noodles. I said, why? They said, no, it's Chinese. I said, no, in China, they don't eat noodles, they eat rice. So there we are, yeah. Chinese don't eat noodles as much as they eat rice, by the way. Any other point on Zoom? Can we move ahead? Can I take the next question, please? Can we go ahead?
They say that, Andrea here.
Yeah, okay. Andrea?
My sister also, she teaches in Nasik in one of the good schools in Devlali known as Ban School. It's an ICC. So she was telling me that you have to be very careful because there are many unwanted people also who log in on the meeting ID and password.
Right.
So he says that you must keep the camera on, and the first thing is that you must take the attendance of the children.
See, that is
And-
why we have got two co-hosts with us, and believe me,
Yeah.
they look very gentle and very polite. They are very strict people. Yeah, Rakhi and Anuja, it's a compliment for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, but in
no,
general, like
you're
I was saying.
absolutely right.
Yeah.
I agree. On a more serious note, there is a waiting room in the Zoom. If you think that
Yes.
somebody will
Yes.
hack in, you can keep that
Yes,
as
sir.
on.
It happened with me also. My one student was telling me, ma'am, there's somebody else also who is in the class. So
Okay.
then I was not knowing, and I was in that mode of teaching. And
Okay.
suddenly this student of mine, he noticed
So
it.
yeah, just take care how you lock your houses. They always say in Arabic, there's a
Yeah,
proverb
yeah,
that
yeah.
trust in God, tie your camel. So that's what we do. We trust in God. You take all the precautions. We tie a camel. We do all the best we can. All right.
Yeah.
This is my favorite question of the entire round, this particular round. And I don't know,
Yeah.
Anuja, let me know if we are overshooting our time. We got 2 questions in this round particularly. Connect this, and trust me, if you connect it, I'll be very proud of you. So you know what you see, right? You see an Akshay Kumar, you see some king there with a country's flag. I won't give you too much. And there is a lovely historical site called Poetry in Stone Badami in Karnataka. Yeah, I know it's Singh is King, or it's actually, by the way, Sangram sir, it's the Kesari movie. So Khushbu, I get the movie's name. I want the connection now. So yes, Akshay Kumar from Kesari. By the way, I was one of the. How many of you were dejected when Kesari did not win the Filmfare Award for the song? Trust me, I was very dejected. So I'll ask you after the pounds. Go ahead, Uma ma'am. Padmavati, I like your choice. I'll ask you, why did you say Padmavati? But well, that's not the right answer. Okay, the patriotic fight. Khushbu, I love, Khushbu, the way you're writing patriotic fight and if they lost the land, that's how I passed my engineering. Kuch to likho, point mil jayenge. But that's not the right answer also. Okay, you will love the answer. Right, Shabana gets 5 points out there. So Disha, I got my first answer. 5 points for Shabana. Anyone else want to try it out? Okay, I will give you a hint now. All right, this is Akshay Kumar from the movie Kesari. This man, his name is Alfonso. He's the king of Spain, and this is place called in Karnataka called Badami. Come on, guys! I only take 2 answers. Okay, Sonal gets 5 points for the answer she expected. Misbah gets 5 points. Shazia Patel gets 5 points. There are 2 Shazia, so I keep taking her. All right, so I get Disha, Sonal, Misbah, Shazia 5 points each. Khushbu, I wish I can give you. I'll give you 2 points for the 4th answer, and Shabana Patel gets 5 points as well. Oh yes, good Jews love it. Yeah, our summers are not complete without mangoes. So these are all the mango varieties. Did you enjoy the question, by the way? Was it nice?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm Sonali, not Sonal.
Sonali. Okay, all right. So I missed an I. I'm so sorry for that. I'll give you 1 extra point. Yeah, if ever there's a tie, then you win, Sonali. But that's what we are saying here. The mangoes, all the varieties from Alfonso and Kesari. Tell me something about mangoes. Come on, you get 2 points up for grab. कुछ नई चीज बताइए आम के बारे में.
Only India is the one who can proudly say about the mangoes, the king of fruit.
Are you sure Brazil eats a lot of mangoes? So does South American continent. But okay, give me something more interesting trivia. Something on mangoes. Something we don't know. Okay, Andrea said it's the sweetest fruit in the market. That means you're eating a lot of pesticide one. वो saccharine भी भरते हैं, get it from Ratnagiri directly one.
Yes, I get mine from directly from the farms.
You are lucky. You are lucky. I get what my neighbors give. Khushbu, go ahead. Yeah, unmute and speak up.
I don't know if it's a true fact or no, but mangoes se wazan nahi badhta hai. That's one thing which mothers keep telling the children so that we keep having it. I don't know whether it's true, but mangoes are blamed for putting on weight, but that's not the case.
Okay, so I'll give you 2 points to Khushbu. अपनी दुनिया में रहिए, आम खाओ. It's good enough, right? And keep checking your weight after eating the mangoes.
Okay. One place very famous for mango export, that is Maliabad.
Okay, Saeed sir, Maliabad, is that right? Maliabad. I'm sure it's in Karnataka.
No, that's in UP.
That's in UP. Okay, so the Karnatakans also appreciate UP, sir. 2 points for you. I'm happy with the answer.
UP.
Yeah, go ahead. Someone wants to add up.
Yes. Then we have Dasheri, we have Langda, we have a mango name called Langda.
Absolutely.
Then Malda.
Oh,
and in that case, Ratnagiri and Alfonso become overrated. If you have Malda and Langda ever,
You will
Okay.
ever always forget Alfonso. I'm telling you.
Absolutely. 2 points for you for the answer, but don't ever say that to a Kokani, they'll feel offended. Right? Let them feel their mangoes are the best. Okay, I'll stop here on the mango part. We'll have to do too much. But Trupti, I'll give 2 points to Trupti for saying a beautiful answer. If you put mangoes in the, in the water, the heat of the mango reduces. I've not tried it, but let me try it again. Trupti, 2 points. And Tanvi gets 2 points for saying India is the topmost producers of mango. Yeah, that's the right one. Okay, African badamis are the sweetest. Shabana says that. Have no idea, but well,
Rumalis.
Yeah, I know where the rich people are. When you can say I can get mangoes from here, Anuja, just make a note of these people out there. Yeah, these Gujaratis are all over the place. Shabana says Africa, she gets mango.
Absolutely.
हमको grofers और big basket नहीं मिल रहा है, इनको अफ्रीका से mango मिल रहा है. Yeah, Shabana, ma'am, can you come on the mic and let us know where you get your mangoes from?
I just get them from Ratnagiri. That's it.
Yeah, and are you a Gujarati by any chance?
Nice Indian. Yeah,
see, I know them. I know my tribe. I know where we are. थोड़ा दिखाना मजा आता है हमको. All right, I do the last question of this round, and there are actually 2 more. But please, Raki and Anuja, let me know when do we stop for this round. Maybe we'll do 2 more questions the next round. And Disha, make sure your scoring goes right. This is an intellectual question in the sense you see a lot of pictures here. I'm not going to tell the name of the pictures. It's a giveaway. But guess what these 4 pictures are all about. So you see, of course, you see immunity. No. We've done enough of corona and immunity. I'm not getting. Don't worry. I like the answer, Tanvi and Trupti. Both your answers are smart about immunity, but nothing to do with immunity. Fresh Morning, Sonali says that. Sonali with an I out there. So no, not that one. Think about it. Get the name. See, there is a mirror. There is a sun. The clock shows time. There is a mint out there. Khushbu, self-reflection. All right. I'm sure you're doing a lot of meditation classes in the lockdown. Okay. All right. I also tried one. Shilpa Shetty ka. My wife watched this. Koi meditation ki zarurat nahi hai. This too shall pass away. Okay. Anyone else? Think of it. Think of it. Okay. Hint for you is you don't get these in the pandemic. Mirror, sun, clock showing a time, mint. You don't get them in the pandemic. Nahi mil raha hai pandemic. All right. I got all right. Shabana Patel 5 points. Neetu 5 points. Misbah says vitamin D. No, not Misbah. Sorry. So 2 answers there. Neetu, would you like to unmute and speak up, please, again? That's the right answer. Unmute and speak up. So Disha, only 2 right answers from Shabana and Neetu. Neetu, unmute. Okay, then I'll go to Shabana again. Go ahead and unmute, please. Anyone out there? Okay, so both of you. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, speak up.
This is newspaper names. You have the Mirror, you have the Sun, right?
Yes, brilliant. That's the answer. Both of you gave it right. Wonderful. The mint, the mint as in the Economic Times and the kind of crazy newspapers we teachers don't read anyway, right? And we don't have to worry about the stock exchange, kya hota hai. But that's the Times of India, the Sun. These are the newspapers. We don't get it. That was a hint. Very well guessed, both of you. Brilliantly done. I think you're doing good. So this is just one last question on this round, and we close with this one. And we'll get Disha, we'll get you for the scoring, and we'll do 3 or 4 more questions if the time permits. That's all. As long as we learn something, enjoy. Yeah, okay.
I think we're good for time. You can just go on with after this. Yeah. After this, you could do your next round and do about 2 or 3 questions, and
perfect. We'll do that then. Yeah? All right. Okay. Wonderful. Thank you so much, Anuja. You get the permissions. Yeah. Okay. So badminton, Olympics, Federer, all the answers are coming in right. Connect the 3 pictures. So you see, it's not difficult to guess. This is really not difficult to guess. So the badminton, by the way, it's tennis. You see the Olympics there, the Japan out there, fitness, outdoor games. All right, Tanvi, 5 points to Tanvi for the right answer. No, go ahead. Tanvi gave the right answer. It's the IPL, it's the Wimbledon, it's the Olympics. Just guess it. That's it. For the first time in the history, something happened to them. This has never happened because of whatever. That's the closest hint I can give you. Pandemic insurance. Sonali, I love the answer. It's a wrong answer, but I'll still give you 2 points. Trust me. What do you teach? I want her to come on the mic and tell her, what do you teach in school? Pandemic insurance, you get 2 points. Disha, make sure for the wrong answers. Khushbu, India planning to host, not really, but good answer again. Okay, so we'll bounce here. Isha gave the right answer. Andrea gave the right answer. So 5 points to Isha, 5 points for Andrea for the answers you gave. We are stopping here. First, I'll come to the wrong answer out there. Please go ahead and tell me, Sonali, why do you say that?
Yeah, I just read somewhere that they have been paying the premium for the pandemic insurance, and this year they got it. And I teach business studies.
Okay, so that's the answer I was expecting, by the way. So you get two extra bonus points and the right answer point. So you also are in the 7-point list. But otherwise, Disha, it's Andrea, it's Isha, and the first answer, I think I missed out the name, but you got it. So
actually, sir, this Olympics was supposed to be held in Japan, in Seoul. But because of this COVID-19, it will be postponed. But definitely, the Japanese are hell bent in having the Olympics.
Hell bent on that.
They are hell bent on having it, sir.
All
Not
right.
today, tomorrow, but down the line they will definitely.
Okay, so I agree to that. For that matter, I've given you the points for. So for the first time, other than the war, the Olympic or the Wimbledon were never cancelled. IPL to maine aise hi dal diya, to 4 saal se ho raha hai khali. But it was also never cancelled there. So all these sporting events were cancelled for the first time in the history for a virus or for a disease which never happened in the history. Good enough, Disha. The floor is yours. Tell us the score, and you can actually tell 5, 6, 7. Like the points and the names. That should be good enough. And we'll go to my last round. So I'll give a breather to Disha. You've been doing, all of you been running around with your answers, and she's been doing all the hard work.
Yeah, give it just 2 minutes.
Absolutely, it's absolutely fine. So are you enjoying? Is it going fine? Good enough?
Yes. It's amazing. I don't know any of the answers, but it's amazing.
The fun is when you know the answers. Oh, I should have guessed it. I wish most of you think, oh, I love the mango one, by the way. It's just the idea. And by the way, you just take this quiz, do it with your kids anytime when you're doing online class. I'll just share it with the THT, with Anuja, I'll just share it with them. The best part of it is let your students know how creative we are. It's okay, don't let them that someone else prepared. Just tell them, let them appreciate us, all of us. Right. Okay. Oh, Trupti, thank you. Mango was out of the park, and we had a lot of vanity metrics with mango. Kahan se aate hain mangoes? So are we done, Disha? Can we go ahead? Anyway, I'll put the screen for the next one. Okay. So far, we're still getting Tanvi, Shabana, and Shazia. Sonali, all right. So you are in the voucher list out there. Tanvi, you are leading the list. Okay, great. So we got Misbah out there. There you are. See, so Misbah is there. 5 people out there. I think. How many vouchers do we have, Anuja?
I think so we'll decide that at the end. So I guess we'll, after all the three rounds are done, I guess we can figure out the winners.
Just be nice to her because she has all the vouchers with her. Okay, Khushbu, your name's on the list as well. So great. So all of you, by the way, others are also in the race. Do not worry. Now this last round is a little complicated to write the answers, but we'll try it out anyway. I call it the butter round. The Amul butter, the little girl that has helped us, and with the ads and all. So can you see the screen, all of you? Just give me a thumbs up. Perfect. So you will see an Amul ad. Not difficult again. You have to guess what is the ad all about. And again, we do a storytelling. 2 points for the stories, or any other points you get it. Right? It is a little challenging to write on the screen, but for the sake of getting everybody involved, we'll still do the chat one. Right? 1 or 2 pointers are good enough. Fair enough? Okay. All right. Here is your first ad, which says Sundar Pio Chai. Indian born and bred. I get answers right there. People are. I'm enjoying the answers out there. Let me quickly read. All right. Sonali 5 points. Shazia Patel 5 points. Isha 5 points. Shabana Patel 5 points. Veenu 5 points. Stop. I got 5 people 5 points. Can I repeat my, sorry for others who almost are there. Uma, you just came in there, but I had to stop at 5 answers. This is a test for your typing skill, by the way. Nobody told you that? So I'll repeat for Disha, right? It starts with, hold on, where was I? Okay, it starts with Khushbu 5, Sonali 5, Shazia, because there are 2 Shazias, so Shazia Patel 5, and then, did you get the other names? Right. We got Veenu and Shabana Patel. So there you are, all your 5 points. Sundar Pio Chai. Very simple. It's a Sundar Pichai idea. My quick question to you. So I'll ask a question. Give your answers on the chat. And anyone want to add something? Sayed, I just heard your voice. You want to add something to him about him? 2 points for any trivia you can tell about Sundar Pichai. Uma, ma'am, I think we'll give 5 points to Uma also. She was right there. So Uma, let's be a little generous. Uma, you also get your 5 points.
Thank you.
All right. Anyone wants to add something about Sundar Pichai? You know, we Indians are so proud. कोई कहीं भी CEO बन जाता है, we said हमारा है. You know, it could be Indira Nuwani. Okay, he studied in a government school. Khushbu. All right. I like the answer Sonali gave. The company Google is owned by another company called Alphabet. Not many of us know. 2 points, extra points to Sonali out there. Indian. Okay. Indian American. Fair enough. Okay. Tanvi, definitely 2 points to Tanvi. He is from Madurai. So that's a lovely trivia I wanted to know about Sundar Pichai. So both of you with your trivias, it's wonderful. Khushbu, your points are fair enough. Vinu, IIT Kharagpur, KTP, I hope, assume it. Vinu, good answer. 2 points to Vinu also for a lovely answer. So she was more specific which IIT is. So great answers. Let's move to my next slide. And Disha, hopefully I'm making life really difficult for you with all this 1, 2, 5 points. There you are. My next question on the screen, Amul ad right there. There is a bill, there is a will, there is a way, be our guest. That's the word stands for. Just tell me the name of the person in the picture. Very easy. Okay, Khushbu, I should deduct 2 points for saying Rahul Gandhi. Not the best name to say in today's circumstances. Not even Amit Shah. All right, Shazia Patel, first answer. Vinu, second answer. Shazia Patel, 5 points. Vinu, 5 points. Misbah, 5 points. Pouncing here. Tanvi, 5 points. Okay. Anyone else? I'll get 5. Oh, Uma, I know he was the late finance minister, but I'm sorry. Arun, Isha, Arun, I'll give you 2 points saying Arun, but no. Anybody wants to unmute from the names I mentioned and tell who is he?
Arun Jaitley.
Right, the late Arun Jaitley, our ex-finance minister, when he was, he was the finance minister when GST and demonetization was there, and Amul made a lovely ad saying, be our guest. So, the take of Amul is wonderful, the creator is wonderful, but all the ones who set the pointers are brilliant, right? So 2 minus points should I give for Rahul Gandhi? No, I shouldn't do that. No. But it's interesting. It's just that we are knowing our people. I remember meeting Arun Jaitley when I was in college. Trust me, I wish I had known that he would become CM. But we used to do that. When I was in college, I'm not very old, Sangram sir, but when we didn't have selfies, so I only took his autograph. Right. Okay, this is, I'm jumping this one. This is MS Dhoni. It's an IPL event. So I'm just jumping some of the ones. Tanvi said a lovely point about Arun Jaitley, and I would like to give 2 points to her. He's from Delhi University, and she said she's heard one of his lectures personally. So Tanvi, for hearing Arun Jaitley's lecture personally, you get 2 points out there. Right. Okay, there you are. No, I'm not going to Dhoni. He's my favorite cricketer, but I would skip some of the questions out there. Yes, Uma ma'am, but it was about an IPL event when he went on the pitch. Your next question is this. This is a question that you see. All right. So I got Misbah give 5 points. Tanvi 5 points. Disha, you giving answers, so you get 5 points also. Khushbu 5 points. Isha 5 points. Pouncing. Sorry. Sonali, you just give an answer after that. The ones I gave before are the ones who got the answers right. So again, it was Misbah. I'll quickly give the names out there for Disha. Make it easy for her. Trust me. Disha, you got the names correct? Hopefully, you could just mark it.
Yeah.
All right, fantastic. So
it,
it's Khushbu, Isha, and then a couple of you had your name as well because you mentioned that, and Misbah got it. Yeah, Tanvi and Misbah got it.
Tanvi, yes.
Perfect. All right. So a couple of Misbah, they got married in Italy. Okay, don't be so sad. It's okay, right? Fine. So there are some names that people make up, isn't it? So Virushka is for Virat and Anushka. So tell me what's the name for? Is it Ranbir and Alia? What's the name for Ranbir and Alia? Unmute yourself and speak up. It's okay. Unmute yourself and speak. What's the name for Ranbir and Alia? Oh, okay. Hold on, Tanvi. I'll give you 2 points out there. Neetu says Ralia. Thank you so much, Neetu. Anyone else? Ralia. Trupti says Ralia. Tanvi, hold on. You'll get your 2 points. Okay, anyone else? I've got a lot of answers, a lot of combinations. Thank you so much, all the teachers. 2 points for Tanvi. They are not officially registered marriage, so there is no name for them. That was a googly for, by the way. If anyone made some names up, please make sure. Don't go for fake news. अभी तक उनकी शादी की news आई नहीं है. Keep watching Arnab Goswami. जैसे आएगी हमको पता चल जाएगा. Right? So there you are. So all of you making up for Alia, but let her enjoy where she is doing, and absolutely fantastic. So you're doing good with all of that. Let me quickly go to my next 2 questions. We'll take last 2 and we'll close our quiz. This one, of course, this is, you know, the popular movie out there. As I said, there was a question on Ranveer Singh also. Apna time hai khayega. I know I'm not taking Gully Boy as an answer. Please, no. I realize, Anuja, our teachers are much better with movies than with books. We'll do a book quiz later. All right. Yes. I want a difficult question. All right, I got an answer. Now, Andrea get the answer, but tell me the 2 singers' name. So one is Divine. Tell me the other guy's name. That's all I want on the chat. You got the Divine answer. Who is the second guy? And I'll give you points. On the chat, go ahead. Tell me the answers. The rapper's name. Divine and...
he's a Muslim boy, but I can't get his name.
From our place.
One of the Christian.
Yeah, he's from Govandi or Dharmi, one of the places,
no,
right?
No, I think they used to, both these boys used to stay in that in the gullies of Andheri.
Andheri, okay.
Side, you know,
ये सबब वाले सब कुछ अपने side मांगते हैं. नवी मुंबई में कोई कुछ नहीं होता है. All right, go ahead. Sorry, go ahead. Yes.
Yeah. And the movie that is being based here, where the main hero, the protagonist is Ranveer Singh, and this movie is actually based on their true story.
Wonderful.
Divine,
okay.
And that other rapper.
That's the question. That's the question.
I said one.
इतनी बड़ी कहानी बोली आपने, पर आपको 2 point नहीं दे सकता मैं. All right, but I like your answer. But no, I'll not give it. It's Divine and Nazi, and I'll quickly read the points. The ones who gave the answer, I'm so sorry. Veenu gave Shazia Patel, Tanvi Nagpal, Bindu Tuteja, and I'll give to Davina. All right, Divine and Nazi. It's not MC Sher. MC Sher was the name of the character Bindu, but all the names I mentioned. So there we are. Disha, are we good on the score? So let's close our quiz with this one. I think we had a great time. You know, usually, you know, teachers don't have to extend the time, especially online classes. Please don't do that with your classes. We close our quiz out here. We'll let Anuja and Rakhi take over. Thank you so much, all of you. I had fun doing the quiz. And again, mujhe pata chala, I will get 2 rappers in Navi Mumbai also. So we also have some rappers here. Sare South Bombay mein nahi hote. But it's wonderful, Khushbu. I think all of you did a great work here last time. I wish THT team, thank you so much for amazing events that you guys are organizing. So over to you, Anuja. Yeah.
Thank you. We had a great time. And while Disha is getting the scores done, which was very confusing today, with you throwing all those googlies at us. But it was, I guess that we enjoyed the scoring, but I hope you all enjoyed this quiz. It was really, really different, fun. And yeah, I didn't know most of the answers, so sad. But yeah, after, like you said, after you said the answer, I'm like, Arey Baba, this was the answer. So yeah, and I thank you so much for coming in today. Yes, Khushbu, you're from last time, you're still reeling from that entire Antakshari and the songs that we did. That was amazing too. But today was really different and fun. And I hope everyone who joined us today actually feels that this is something they can, like you said, it was really beautiful. You know, you could take this back to your classrooms for your kids and try it out. So thank you, Dao. Thank you so much again. And we're going to share your details again. We're going to share it on the WhatsApp group that we did. Please leave your feedback. We're going to, even if you've not joined THT, the page, please do like us, follow us. And we hope to see all of you again next Saturday. If you all would like to, of course, you know, probably take over as host for next Saturday, please do let us know. If not, we'll have something planned. So looking forward to next Saturday as well. Disha, are we in for the scores? I'm just going to get...
Yes, the last one. Give me 2 minutes.
All right. And Disha, don't worry. After the pandemic, all the scoring from Antakshari to quiz, we'll give you a voucher to go to Matheran at least.
Thank you so much.
I would thank the Daud sir. Was an excellent session. So thank you. We had a lot of, you know, it was super fun. So thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. I think it was wonderful having you
Sir, did I
participate.
get any point?
Yeah, Daud sir. Even I just loved it. I mean, in spite, and the way you add the, I mean, amazing sense of humor, man. The missing of I, and indeed Angelina Jolie called me up to message me to tell me the seventh child. Amazing. I mean, you have an amazing presence of mind and sense of humor. Lovely.
Thank you
Just
so much.
enjoyed it.
So much fun actually. I had.
Daud, you
conducted so
are
many
as
conferences,
amazing a
no?
quiz master as Derek O'Brien.
Oh, that's such a lovely compliment. Thank you so much, Kavita ma'am.
Yes, apart from the questions, I actually picked up that missing of the eye and somebody messaging me about the seventh child, and that was amazing. and our love for our mangoes from the states.
Yeah, all right. We all on the mangoes out there. And Kavita ma'am, just don't tell this to Derek O'Brien. He might have a little, problem with that comparing. But
No,
I think
no,
these
I'm
are
not going
icons.
to do that. That was meant for you only. Thank you.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you, all of you. Are we done, Disha, with the scoring?
And one more
Yeah,
thing, we
yeah,
learned
please.
so much. We were having so much
you
fun,
know Derek O'Brien.
but we did learn a lot. So I think that was great.
No, absolutely. I think, Khushbu, that's the whole idea. We just enjoy and we just, our IQ becomes a little better at the end of the day.
True.
Right. So, Disha?
So the first winner is Tanvi.
Whoa.
With 43 points.
Wow, very nice.
Second is Khushbu with 31 points.
Wow, that's interesting.
Very nice.
Third is Sajia with 30 points.
Whoa, that's nice.
Very good. Very nice.
So Disha was asking me, should we do a top 3 or a top 5?
Yeah.
I think we're gonna go for top 5. Disha, can we have 2 more?
Okay, so fourth is Misbah.
Oh, there she is.
That is a very small, like 29 points. So it's like 1 point.
Oh, okay.
And the fifth one is Shabana.
All right. So we get
with 27 points.
Fantastic. The good part, congratulations to all of you. The good part of taking compliments before is after the scores, nobody gives compliment. So fighting shuru hoti hai na? Right? So congratulations to everyone. Wonderful. I think it was just fun. Thank you so much.
Thank
It
you.
was
Thank
a
you
very great effort of the team. I would like to add.
Sorry, we are all talking together, but a quick thing. We're going to have webinar vouchers for you. So we'll be mailing those across. And thank you again for joining us. If there's anything you all want to say, please, yes, go ahead.
No, I just want to really thank Daud sir that, I did come in late because I had a dentist appointment, but I didn't want to miss on the show because I saw Khushbu ma'am, the way she had put up the show last time was like mind-blowing. And this time Daud sir also did an excellent show. In fact, we are looking forward for more shows with you, sir. This has really increased our, you can say, our intelligence or IQ. There were many things which we didn't know, but you have actually fed it into our mind, into our brain. And the same knowledge, we would like to impart to our children also.
I think I'd like to add one thing. We must, give a round of applause to Anuja and Rakhi and the entire team with Disha. They are the curators. I think they are the ones who should receive all the applauses. So there you are.
So much. Really, thank you so much.
No, really, Anuja and Rakhi, you are the guys. Before we start becoming little floating with all the compliments and our weight increases, let's say all of you bye-bye then.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Bye-bye, guys. Thanks a lot for coming.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rakhi ma'am. Thank you, Anuja ma'am.
Bye. Thank you.